Amagakod siyang burger ko eh. Yung burger. So, ang ginawa kong sauce niya. 100 island sauce. And 100 island sauce daw. O naman. Island sauce. Yan. And then, wala akong ginawang patty eh. Naubos sa spaghetti. Creamy spaghetti. So, gamit lang ako ng ham. And then cheese. And then, what's next? Egg. And then, ham. Malapit nang maging clubhouse. Kulang. Okay. That's it. Yummy. Iinuman si Cooks. Iinuman si Cooks.